Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has traveled 154,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, this particular Silverado is a 4WD model with a convenient third door and is powered by the reliable 5.7L Vortec engine. It has had 3 owners and has been carefully maintained over the years. The transmission has been rebuilt, and significant recent maintenance includes 4 new shocks, new front upper control arms, ball joints, as well as new front sway bar links and bushings. Overall, the truck is described as extra clean for its age, though there is some rust present on the rockers and cap corners. The tires are older and will likely need replacement in the near future.
Number 2.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, equipped with a 5.7L Vortec V8 engine and a 4x4 drivetrain, offering solid performance and dependable capability. This gasoline-powered truck has 211,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission that is reported to be in good condition. It comes finished in a brown exterior paired with a beige interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. As expected for a vehicle of its age, there is some rust present. However, the frame remains in good condition, which is an important factor for long-term durability.
The engine runs well, and both the engine and transmission are described as being in good working order.
Overall, this truck represents a strong example of a well-maintained older 4x4 pickup, suitable for daily driving, light hauling, or as a reliable work truck.
Number 3.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $5,995, finished in a distinctive purple exterior with a clean gray interior. This extended cab model offers both visual appeal and added cabin space for extra passengers or storage. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 5.2L V8 engine, paired with a capable 4WD system that delivers confident performance in various driving conditions. This gasoline-powered truck has only 142,000 miles on the odometer and has been exceptionally well cared for, making it one of the cleanest examples available in the Midwest. It sits on brand new Michelin tires, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride, and features a durable bedliner that helps protect the truck bed for hauling and everyday use.
Overall, this Dakota represents a rare combination of low mileage, excellent condition, and powerful V8 performance. Number 4.
1981 Volkswagen Rabbit, price $5,900, classic diesel hatchback that showcases impressive longevity and reliability. This particular model has traveled 399,000 miles and is equipped with a 1.6L diesel engine paired with a 4-speed transmission. Well known for its exceptional fuel efficiency, the car starts up easily and drives smoothly down the road. Finished in a bright yellow exterior with a brown interior, this Rabbit maintains its original cabin, which remains comfortable and easy to access. Having been in Arizona since the 1990s, the vehicle benefits from a rust-free undercarriage, adding to its solid structural condition. In addition to its dependable performance and economical diesel power, the car also comes with a collection of extra parts and manuals, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts or collectors who appreciate vintage European compacts.
Number 5. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500.
The truck is powered by a Vortec 5.7L engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 225,000 miles, this gasoline truck runs and drives very well and is ready for daily use. It comes in green with a gray interior and is equipped with power windows and locks, cruise control, and a tilt steering column. Recent upgrades include a new battery, alternator, radiator, water pump, a C compressor, ignition cap and rotor, headlights, and a fresh oil change.
Both the heater and AC work properly.
It also features a Kenwood Bluetooth stereo and a folding tonneau cover. The top has some clear coat peeling, and there is rust on the right rocker panel, but the rest of the body is solid. It has a rebuilt salvage title.
Number 6. 1995 Ford F150, price $4,500, classic full-size pickup that offers timeless styling and dependable performance. This 1995 model comes equipped with a stock 5.0-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It has 155,000 miles on the odometer and features a blue exterior, giving it a true vintage truck appeal. The engine and transmission are strong, and the truck runs great, making it both reliable and fun to drive. While it does require some minor brake work and a new muffler, it remains a solid and sturdy pickup overall. With its classic look, dependable 5.0L powertrain, automatic transmission, and well-maintained mechanical condition, this F-150 stands out as a great example of a durable and iconic 1990s truck. Number 7. 1977 Ford F-150, price $4,900, powered by a rebuilt 400 modified engine with an Edelbrock aluminum intake and carburetor, Ford racing valve covers, billet distributor, and aluminum radiator. It runs strong. It is paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end. The truck features power steering and power brakes. The interior is in excellent condition with new black carpet, recovered seat, new door panels, hard headliner with speaker inserts, a Hurst floor shifter, and a custom steering wheel. Finished in dark green with some cosmetic flaws, it sits on steel wheels with chrome Baby Moon hubcaps and BF Goodrich radial T/A tires. Although it needs a new bed and paint, it remains a cool, attention-grabbing classic hot rod with solid mechanical performance. Unfortunately, the passenger side rear bed was damaged in a farm equipment accident, leaving the bed destroyed and the tailgate missing, though the rear roll pan survived. Number 8. 1994 Ford F-150, price $4,250. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and is powered by its original 5.0L V8 engine. This is a rear-wheel drive truck with a clean title, finished in blue exterior paint paired with a tan interior. The truck features power windows and power door locks, along with automatic cruise control for added driving comfort. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and the heater works perfectly, making it suitable for all seasons. It also includes an aftermarket Bluetooth sound system with a subwoofer for enhanced audio quality. Additional highlights include dual fuel tanks that are both fully functional and easily selectable via a cab switch, 2 sets of original keys, the original owner's manual, and a spare tire. Number 9. 1982 Chevrolet K10, price $6,500. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and is powered by its original 5.0L V8 engine. This is a rear-wheel drive truck with a clean title, finished in blue exterior paint paired with a tan interior. The truck features power windows and power door locks, along with automatic cruise control for added driving comfort. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and the heater works perfectly, making it suitable for all seasons. It also includes an aftermarket Bluetooth sound system with a subwoofer for enhanced audio quality. Additional highlights include dual fuel tanks that are both fully functional and easily selectable via a cab switch, 2 sets of original keys, the original owner's manual, and a spare tire. Number 10. 1977 Ford F350, price $9,500, equipped from the factory with a powerful 460 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. This regular cab long bed configuration highlights its classic work truck design and impressive hauling capability. This particular truck features the highly desirable 460 big block, delivering strong torque and reliable performance. It starts and runs, and was recently brought back to life after sitting for an extended period. Recent updates include a new ignition switch, a new neutral safety switch, new spark plugs, and a fresh battery to ensure dependable operation. Additionally, the engine has been upgraded with an Engel RV72H camshaft, enhancing its overall performance and drivability.